Welcome back to my channel, The Vehicle Era. Today, this video is going to be about the 2027 Volkswagen ID.S Tourer, the long-wheelbase version of Volkswagen's electric van. Combining the classic character of the original Volkswagen bus with modern electric technology, the ID.S Tourer is designed for families, long-distance travel, and customers who need a lot of interior space. Interior inside, the 2027 ID.S Tourer is focused on space, comfort, and flexibility. The long wheelbase body provides more room for passengers and luggage than the standard ID.S. Depending on the configuration, the Tourer can offer up to 7 seats, making it suitable for larger families. The cabin features a digital driver's display and a large central touchscreen for navigation, entertainment, vehicle settings, and connected services. The long wheelbase also provides a large cargo area behind the rear seats, while the flexible seating layout allows the interior to be adapted for passengers or additional luggage. Higher versions can offer heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic glass roof, ambient lighting, wireless phone charging, premium audio, and multiple USB-C charging ports. Volkswagen is also expected to continue improving the software and connectivity through over-the-air updates. Engine and performance. The 2027 Volkswagen ID.S Tourer will remain fully electric. The long wheelbase version is available with Volkswagen's larger battery and an electric motor designed for comfortable everyday performance. Depending on the version and market, rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive can be available. The more powerful GTX version adds all-wheel drive and significantly stronger acceleration, making the large electric van surprisingly quick for its size. The ID.S is not designed as a sports vehicle. Instead, it focuses on smooth acceleration, quiet operation, comfortable cruising, and easy city driving. The electric motor provides instant torque, which is especially useful when carrying several passengers or a full load of luggage. Exterior. The ID.S Tourer has one of the most recognizable designs in Volkswagen's current lineup. Its shape is inspired by the classic Volkswagen bus, but the body uses a modern electric vehicle design. The long wheelbase Tourer has a longer body and larger rear passenger area while maintaining the same basic styling. At the front, the van features LED headlights, a smooth electric vehicle nose, and Volkswagen's modern lighting signature. The side profile is defined by large windows, sliding doors, a tall roof, and short front overhangs. At the rear, LED taillights and a large tailgate complete the practical van design. The ID.S Tourer also offers different wheel designs and several exterior colors, including two-tone combinations that emphasize its retro-inspired character. Battery and range. Battery capacity and range are especially important for a large electric van. The long wheelbase ID.S is offered with a large battery designed to provide enough energy for family trips and longer journeys. Depending on the exact version, the WLTP driving range can reach more than 300 miles. Real-world range will depend on weather, speed, passenger load, temperature, and driving conditions. The ID.S also supports DC fast charging, allowing the battery to be replenished during longer trips. Higher performance versions can use the same general battery technology while delivering stronger acceleration through their dual motor setup. For the 2027 model year, Volkswagen could introduce further software and efficiency improvements, although specific new battery specifications have not been confirmed. Technology and features. The ID.S Tourer is packed with modern technology. The infotainment system provides navigation, media, vehicle settings, and connected services through the central touchscreen. Wireless smartphone integration, voice control, wireless charging, and over-the-air software updates are also available depending on the version. Safety technology includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and parking assistance. Higher trims can offer a surround view camera system, advanced parking functions, and additional driver assistance features. The GTX version also adds sportier styling and performance-focused equipment. Price. The official 2027 U.S. price for the ID Buzz Tourer has not been announced. Pricing varies significantly between markets, and the long-wheelbase model costs more than the shorter version because of its larger battery, additional space, and extra equipment. The GTX version is also expected to command a higher price than standard versions. For the 2027 model year, Volkswagen could make small pricing or equipment changes depending on the market. Release date. The ID Buzz long-wheelbase Tourer is already an official production vehicle in several markets. Volkswagen introduced the long-wheelbase version with additional passenger and cargo space, making it better suited to family use. The 2027 model should continue as part of Volkswagen's electric commercial and passenger vehicle lineup. However, exact launch dates and equipment can vary between countries. Leaks and rumors. There are no major rumors suggesting a completely new ID Buzz Tourer for 2027. The current generation is still relatively new, so Volkswagen is expected to continue improving it rather than redesigning the entire vehicle. Future updates could include improved software, additional equipment, new colors, and efficiency improvements. There is also interest in how Volkswagen will expand the electric van lineup as battery technology continues to improve. However, no major redesign or completely new powertrain has been officially confirmed for 2027. Official confirmation. As of August 2026, the Volkswagen ID Buzz Tourer is an official production model, not just a rumor. Volkswagen has confirmed the long-wheelbase version and its larger interior, additional seating options, and electric powertrain. The exact 2027 specifications, pricing, and market-specific equipment have not all been announced, so the vehicle itself is confirmed, but future model year changes should be treated as expectations until Volkswagen releases the final details. Outro: the 2027 Volkswagen ID Buzz Tourer could remain one of the most interesting electric family vehicles on the market. Its combination of retro-inspired design, huge interior space, flexible seating, electric power, and modern technology makes it very different from a traditional SUV. For families who want an electric vehicle with plenty of room, the ID Buzz Tourer could be one of Volkswagen's most practical choices. Thanks for watching the Vehicle Era. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming cars, future vehicles, leaks, rumors, and the latest automotive news. I'll see you in the next video.